Hi guys, this is Christy and welcome back to my channel. Well, I just want to say sorry. I just want to apologize to my viewers and my subscribers because I haven't been posting my videos lately, and being a new YouTuber, that's not a good sign. Yeah, I didn't just do that on purpose because I was sick, I was down, I wasn't doing fine, and now I felt better. So I've just thought of sharing what I've been taking all this while. I've had a cough and a fever, and that's tea masala. And I'm going to show you in the kitchen the ingredients that in the ingredients that I've been using all this while. This is a very healthy tea. It's very nice, delicious. Anyone can take it, guys. When I show you this, I expect you to try it out. And once you try it out, leave it in the comment section below so that I know that there's something happening out there. Let's go and make it. Yeah, so guys, these are my ingredients on the table, and today I'm going to be making tea masala. This tea masala basically helped me to recover from the flu that I had last week, and that's the reason why I wasn't posting my videos on YouTube. But today I'm back, and welcome back, guys. So I have milk. I'm going to use milk, and I'm going to use the tea masala. This is a tea masala, and it's written here. You can find it at any mall here in Kitwe. And I also have turmeric and black pepper. So these are the only ingredients that I'm going to use for this tea. So I'm going to get my pot. Make sure you don't use water, you don't dilute the milk. I'm going to pour this milk in the pot. Guys, you should try this at home. This is a very good home remedy, like if you want to recover quickly when you've got a fever or flu. Yeah, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is black pepper. Just make sure that you get full teaspoon of black pepper and pour it in the pot. Yeah. So guys, I know you'll be wondering, like, I haven't measured the milk. Basically, you have to get 1 glass of milk, depending on how much you take. Yeah. So in this one, I'm just going to pour half of this milk in the pot. And I'm going to get turmeric. I cannot open this one. And to get a teaspoon of turmeric. You know, guys, turmeric has been recommended to be, you know, a very good spice to the body, and it works well. Oh my god. This is it. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm going to use the main ingredient, which is tea masala. Let me open this. Yeah. And this is milk. I'm just going to tear it up like this, and perhaps open it. Perfect. It's done. So I'm going to get 4 teaspoons of tea masala. If you want it to be strong, you can have 2 teaspoons of this, and I love it very strong. So these are the ingredients, and I'm going to let this mixture to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until it is ready. Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, I love this. Yeah, so this is done. I've used 500 ml full cream milk, so you can use any type of milk as long as it's milk. Yeah. So this is it, and I'm going to put this on the stove to let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes, and my tea will be ready to So yeah, my tea is ready. Oh my god, it looks so thick and it smells good. Guys, this is so healthy. I recommend it. I encourage you to make this at home and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this tea, and if it will help you to recover quickly from the cough or from your cold. If you're sick, please let me know in the comment section below.